Imagine, if you dare, a universe suddenly stripped of its most vital essence. A cosmic horror unfolding not in the distant reaches of space, but right here, at the very heart of our existence. If you're ready to confront the chilling what-ifs that push the boundaries of science and imagination, then join us. Subscribe and hit that notification bell, for the cosmos holds secrets that will forever change your perception of reality. Today we confront a question so profound, so terrifying, it chills the very soul. What if the sun, our life-giving star, were to vanish in an instant? How would this cataclysmic event reshape our planet, extinguish life, and unravel the intricate tapestry of our entire solar system? Prepare yourselves, for we are about to embark on a journey into the abyss of cosmic consequence. This isn't just a thought experiment. It's a stark reminder of our fragile place in the universe. The sun, that radiant orb in our sky, is far more than just a distant light. It is the pulsating heart of our solar system, a colossal furnace of fusion that has tirelessly sustained life on Earth for billions of years. Its ceaseless energy output, born from the incredible power of nuclear fusion, bathes our world in the light and warmth essential for every breath we take, every leaf that unfurls. Without its constant embrace, our world would be nothing more than a barren, frozen rock. The moment the sun ceased to exist, an unimaginable cascade of events would begin. The most immediate and perhaps most terrifying consequence would be the rapid and irreversible plummet in global temperatures. Our planet, once a vibrant oasis, would begin its descent into an icy tomb. Simultaneously, the very engine of life on Earth, photosynthesis, would grind to an immediate halt. This vital process, where plants convert sunlight into energy, forms the bedrock of nearly every ecosystem. Without it, the vast majority of plant life would wither and die within days, initiating a catastrophic collapse of the food chain. Herbivores would starve, followed swiftly by carnivores, as the delicate balance of nature shattered into a million frozen pieces. The vibrant green of our world would fade to a desolate monochrome gray. Beyond light and heat, the sun exerts another equally fundamental influence: its immense gravitational pull. This invisible force is the cosmic tether that binds all the planets, asteroids, and comets in our solar system, keeping them locked in their predictable, graceful orbits. It is the very fabric of our celestial dance, a constant, unwavering embrace that prevents us from hurtling into the void. Without the sun's gravitational anchor, the planets would instantly lose their centripetal force, the inward pull that keeps them curving around a central point. Instead, they would obey Newton's first law of motion, continuing in a straight line at their current tangential velocity. Our Earth, along with its planetary siblings, would become a rogue wanderer, drifting aimlessly into the cold, dark expanse of interstellar space. This cosmic exodus would mark the end of our familiar solar system. Here lies a chilling twist in our cosmic tale. If the sun were to vanish, we wouldn't know it right away. The universe, in its vastness, operates under the immutable laws of physics, and light, along with gravity, travels at a finite speed. It takes approximately 8 minutes and 20 seconds for the sun's light and gravitational influence to reach Earth. For those agonizing minutes, a cruel deception would play out. The sun would still appear in the sky, its light still warming our faces, its gravity still holding us in orbit. Life would continue, oblivious to the cosmic guillotine that had just fallen. Then, without warning, the illusion would shatter. The sun would simply wink out, plunging our world into an eternal night, and the true horror of its absence would begin to unfold. The moment the sun's light vanished, an immediate and profound darkness would engulf the planet. The stars, once obscured by our sunlit sky, would blaze with an unnerving intensity, but their distant light offers no warmth. Temperatures would begin their rapid, relentless descent, a chilling testament to the sun's constant thermal input. The warmth we take for granted, the very energy that drives our weather systems and sustains our oceans, would dissipate into the void. Within a mere week, the average surface temperature of Earth would plummet below a staggering 70 degrees Celsius. This is a temperature at which most unprotected life forms would instantly freeze solid. Water pipes would burst, machinery would seize, and the very air would become a biting, lethal force. The world as we know it would become an uninhabitable ice ball, a stark monument to the sun's irreplaceable power. As the weeks turned into months, the Earth's temperature would continue its inexorable decline. Within a year, our planet's surface temperature could reach an unimaginable 240 degrees Celsius, a frigid realm perilously close to the absolute zero of deep space. At such temperatures, even the most resilient life forms would succumb. The oceans, once teeming with life, would gradually freeze solid, transforming into vast, impenetrable blocks of ice. The atmosphere itself, once a protective blanket, would begin to freeze and collapse, its gases liquefying and then solidifying onto the planet's surface. Our vibrant blue marble would become a desolate white sphere, devoid of liquid water, breathable air, or any semblance of life. It would be a silent, frozen monument to a lost star, drifting endlessly through the cosmic night. In this apocalyptic scenario, only the most extreme and isolated forms of life might cling to a precarious existence. Certain microbes adapted to the most hostile environments could potentially survive deep within the Earth's crust, insulated from the surface cold. Similarly, some deep-sea creatures thriving near geothermal vents on the ocean floor might persist for a time. These vents, powered by the Earth's internal heat, offer a localized source of warmth and chemical energy independent of the sun. However, even these last bastions would face an uncertain future. The eventual freezing of the oceans would seal off these environments, and the long-term survival of any life form would be a desperate, losing battle against the overwhelming cold and lack of external energy. The Earth, once a cradle of life, would become its tomb. As Earth and its planetary companions hurtle into the void, the very structure of our solar system would unravel. Each planet, now a rogue body, would embark on its own solitary journey through the vastness of interstellar space. Collisions with other rogue planets or interstellar objects, though rare, would become a possibility, leading to further cosmic chaos. The elegant, ordered dance of our solar system, a ballet choreographed by the sun's gravity, would cease forever. Over eons, these former planets would drift further and further apart, becoming isolated specks in the immense cosmic ocean. The familiar constellations would shift, and the night sky would be forever altered, a testament to the sun's absence. Our cosmic neighborhood, once a vibrant family, would become a collection of lonely, frozen wanderers. The sun's influence extends far beyond light, heat, and gravity. It constantly emits a stream of charged particles known as the solar wind. This solar wind, along with the sun's powerful magnetic field, creates a protective bubble around our solar system called the heliosphere. This heliosphere acts as a crucial shield, deflecting harmful cosmic rays and interstellar particles that would otherwise bombard our planets. Without the sun, the solar wind would cease and the heliosphere would collapse. Earth and the other planets would be exposed to the full, unfiltered onslaught of cosmic radiation. While the immediate effects of the sun's disappearance would be far more devastating, this long-term exposure to high-energy particles would further sterilize any remaining surface environments and pose a significant threat to any hypothetical deep-dwelling survivors. It's another layer of the sun's protective embrace that we often take for granted. So, as we contemplate this chilling scenario, a profound question emerges. How would humanity, with all its ingenuity and resilience, respond to such an ultimate catastrophe? Would our species, faced with the inevitable, find a way to survive, perhaps by harnessing geothermal energy or constructing vast underground cities? Or would we, in a desperate last-ditch effort, attempt to find a new home among the distant stars, a new sun to orbit? The answers are as terrifying as the question itself. This thought experiment, while extreme, serves as a powerful reminder of our profound dependence on our star and the delicate balance of our cosmic existence. It underscores the importance of understanding the universe around us, not just for curiosity, but for the very survival of our species. If this journey into the cosmic unknown has ignited your curiosity and deepened your appreciation for the wonders of science, please give this video a like. Share it with anyone who dares to ponder the grand what-ifs of the universe. And most importantly, subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss another exploration into the mind-bending realities of our cosmos. Your engagement fuels our quest for knowledge. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep looking up and keep questioning everything.